How's it going, everyone? Jeremy from yourgmctruckstore.com, and today we're taking a look at our 2017 Chevrolet Spark LT. It is equipped with a blue splash metallic exterior paint color. It was brought into our inventory to offer our customers a great deal on certified pre-owned vehicles. This has been certified by our 150-point inspection. It's a great little car, great for the city, has a 1.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, so it's very fuel efficient as well. Let's take a closer look inside. Take a look at the driver's side door panel. You do get your power windows, power locks, and power mirrors. Some storage down below. Premium cloth interior, 4-passenger vehicle. You get a nice little pattern on these seats as well. Let's jump on inside. There are the current kilometers on this Spark. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel are your cruise control settings. On the right-hand side are your voice command, Bluetooth, and volume settings. In the center here, you do get the Intellilink Media Player, along with your rear vision camera. All the controls for your media player. Right below that is your climate control settings. Right under there, you do get a USB input, audio jack, and power plug, along with some storage. And your automatic transmission. Let's jump into the back seat. Take a look at the back seat now. You do get 2 passengers in the rear, 2 in the front. That gives you a total of 4. These seats will flip down to give you some more storage in the back. And as you can see, the pattern does follow throughout the back seats. Just going to give you a quick scan from the back seat. If you have any questions about this Spark, feel free to come in and talk to one of our product experts who will be more than happy to help you. My name is Jeremy. I work for yourgmctruckstore.com. Have a great day.